Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin weekly charts. It'd be very bullish to see a weekly candle close above the 200 simple. Buyers will jump in if this happens later today. Pay attention to this idea. Now, will you see some type of retest, which would still be bullish, and then upside continuation? That's the most bullish scenario, right? I mean, unless it's just moon mission. But you don't want to see, obviously, the 200 simple lost after we've had this nice upside, of which we nailed most of this upside for Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. This is a Bitcoin daily chart, and essentially what you want to see is this previous high right here act as support and hold this level. So that would be a bullish retest of this move to the upside. And so again, I'm looking at this parabola. Will you see a parabolic price rise out of Bitcoin if the bulls can hold this level? You could see $28,000 Bitcoin banging. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, and I want to paint a few pictures for it. Again, we bought right here, right? We bought right here. We shorted right here based on this bull trap. Now, up here, you had the bulls technically are trapped. Okay, so you don't want to see the next swing high be lower than the previous high, right? If you get a lower high, that's exit signal, right? You could see a pullback down here to 22,600, 22,400. Now, the most bullish scenario is the 200 simple weekly closes above it, and then you get a breakout of this, and this thing's going to much higher prices, $28,000 Bitcoin, right? Use this as a signal. Open up altcoin positions, long or short, based on this idea. It's that easy. I've got some amazing shout outs to give on my trading group. This person, he made $1,000 in a day. He started out with like $150, and now he's up to $11,791. He worked. This person, he was trying to sell me his laptop, and then next thing you know, he's up $5,000 in 3 days on the Kucoin setups. This has been life-changing money, these banging setups. This person, huge thank you. $4,200 made in 24 hours with all. This person, he spent the last 12 years as a bin man. Now he's sitting on $50,000. He said joining the group is better than any apprenticeship, university, college degree, anything you could possibly ever pay for. The group pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. Anyways, he's sitting on $50,000, and he's going to quit working. To sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Constantly find the bangers: 34%, 38%, 39%, 59%, 84%, 111%, 204% bangers daily. If you're tired of losing money in this market, let me help you. Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, you want to see this thing continue. It broke and lost its support levels. So you've seen some positive price action about the altcoins. We've had some really good trading with the altcoins. You don't want to see this bounce at this level, right? You don't want to see a double bottom here. You want to see a lower low. Okay, so a lower low would mean basically then the next high would be a lower high, and the downtrend would continue, and the money would continue to be flowing in the altcoins. A big move out of Bitcoin dominance. You're looking for a move. It'll help you time the Bitcoin moves. This is going to set the tone for the week. This is ES1, stock market, right? When it opens, this is mini futures, S&P 500. So when it opens, it's right at, see this double bottom bounce, right at this resistance rejection. So this is a key level. If you get rejected here, looking for a pullback out of Bitcoin, and then will you get the bullish retest for much higher prices? Because the measured move is still up here. You've got to break out on this price action. You've got to break out, right? You had this, and we nailed this bear trap where we loaded longs. The question is, bears are getting punished. Will it break out immediately, or will you get this pullback, retest, and another try at the move higher? But again, TA says this is a measured move. If anything different happens than what the TA says, you counter trade it, right? So understand there's some short-term pullback ideas, but if it breaks out and retests, Bitcoin's going to much higher prices. JASMY. Okay, so I posted this in the trading group the other day, and it's broken out now. Understand, like, you have this triple bottom. It's so much easier to start buying these support bounces. That way you're already in the coins before they break out, right? If you're used to breakout trading, if you look at these breakouts, all of them are fake outs except for one. So it's broken out. Now you need to see a bullish retest for upside continuation. Obviously, Bitcoin needs to cooperate. But understand that this accumulation that's happening right now, and obviously Bitcoin has to act right. This is accumulation, right? If you look at Ape, I posted it. I posted we're up 81% on Ape. But understand that JASMY is in this type of pattern. It's back here. It's lagging a little bit, where Ape's already broken out and continued much higher, right? JASMY is still in this. It's really just getting started, so it's just not as far along in this market cycle. And so again, as long as Bitcoin acts right, JASMY is one of those coins that does pump very well. So again, everything alert. Whatever Bitcoin does is going to call the moves in this market. Bitcoin is running the show, but what's interesting is ES1. You've got this measured move, which is a lot higher than where it's at right now. So a lot of altcoin trading has been really epic. Altcoin volume has been epic as far as the trades go. So just keep that in mind. The stock market could pull Bitcoin a lot higher. You don't have an FOMC meeting. The Fed is not going to raise the rates in August. Okay, so that's going to give potentially a little breath of fresh air for stocks and crypto. Waves, this is another one. And just understand, like, let's say Bitcoin does get a little pullback. All you're doing is you're trying to pick up this support bounce down here. I mean, this is price compression. If this breaks out, then obviously you enter. Waves could see some upside. I mean, look what happens after this price action breaks and holds the 200 simple. Just notice this. Look, this is yellow trend line. Breaks and holds 200 simple, huge upside, right? If it loses it, huge downside, right? So this is on the 1 hour, the 4 hour I even use. This is a good buy and sell signal. Retest of this level. Now let's go to the 4 hour real quick just to see. And so it's above the 200 simple moving average. This is running out of room. Already had a huge pump previously. Running out of room in this triangle. Bitcoin move coming. You want to watch waves for the breakout, confirmed breakout to the upside to enter. If you don't get the breakout, you don't enter. But you can also buy the support bounce and wait for Bitcoin to bounce, and then obviously you can enter the waves. There's a lot of different ways to enter these trades. If you do not understand what I'm talking about, you want to change your life, I can teach you how to make a ridiculous amount of money in this market, period. If I can do this, average Joe crypto, you guys can do it too. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.